What is going on, guys? So today we are reviewing a milk frothing pitcher. I picked this up from Amazon. This was roughly around $12 to $13. Not a bad buy at all. It's a stainless steel frothing pitcher, and it also comes with a clip-on thermometer. On the side here you can see the clear markings for the measurements. They also have some increment measurements on the inside as well. Here the handle is attached to the side. It's attached, but it does a pretty good job at not maintaining the exact same temperature as the pitcher, so that's really good. Makes it easier for the touch. Has a nice little weight to it as well. Gives it more of a quality feel, even though it's literally just 13 bucks. There's a thermometer. It has the highlighted section there, the red section, to let you know what temperature to keep it at, what range you should be at. The temperature range should be between 150 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit. I think even 160, but 155 should do. I'm going to add in my milk here and my thermometer to keep track of the temperature, even though I still end up letting it boil over, as you can see. But that's fine. We're just going to let it sit to the side and let it cool and let that temperature drop back down within the proper range. Set that to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and get my coffee going here. I'm using my Moka pot, which I also purchased on Amazon. This thing has been like such a joy to use. So I'm gonna add my milk. My milk has cooled down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the frothing pitcher. And I'm gonna use my frother to kind of go ahead and get it going, get a little texture going. Trying to keep it under the milk so that way it's not gonna cause a whole lot of bubbles. The few bubbles that are left, give it a few quick stamps to knock away those big bubbles that are on top, leaving us with a nice and smooth cream. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my coffee here. And as best as we can, we're gonna go ahead and give this a quick swirl, and we're gonna begin to pour. Trying to allow the, I'm guessing, the heavy portion of the cream to go in first, and we'll come down a little bit and try to form a little bit of a design with some foam and the heavier cream or the lighter cream on top. I'm not real good with the latte art, but I'm getting better. We'll keep working at it. But with the way that the frothing pitcher is designed, it should allow you easier pouring techniques, easier access to be able to separate the different weights of cream into the drink. That looks terrible. I'm gonna grab my toothpick and try to at least make somewhat of a design in here. That's a little better. Knock out some of those bubbles on the side. And there we go. This thing is not too bad, man. For 12 bucks for a frothing pitcher, it is not bad at all. I definitely would recommend this for anybody who's looking to practice a little bit more on the latte art. That's it for this video. Have a good one.